Hey everybody, welcome back to Ras Reviews. So this week we're going to take a look at a heated jacket. So we're planning a trip to Europe next year and it's in the springtime, so it's kind of cool but kind of warm at the same time. So it was really kind of finding something that would be lightweight but versatile at the same time. And I've seen a few ads on Facebook and that kind of stuff about self-heating jackets, and today we're going to take a look at Antarctica gear. Beat the cold weather. So the battery pack's supposed to provide 8 hours worth of heating. It has 3 different heating levels, 5 heating zones, 3-second rapid heating, water and wind resistant, and lightweight. So first things first, we get a power bank. This is 1600 or 16,000 milliamp hours, 5 volt. Output is 12 volt. And that power bank is 16,000 milliamp hours. And here is the jacket itself. So the material, it feels kind of, I wouldn't say waterproof, but water resistant. It is pretty nice and light. Okay, on the inside we've got a pocket here with a headphone slot, so in case you're using wired headphones, you can drop your phone or MP3 player in there and run the wires out. And we have a little inside pocket here, which is where the power bank goes, and the cord for plugging into the power bank to provide power to the heating elements. Alright, let's take a look at the outside. Might be easier if I just put this on. Okay, so obviously it has a hood. On the outside we have a little pocket here in the sleeve. Decent sized pocket. We have some Velcro here in case you're a patch wearer. And a pocket up on the bicep. On this side we have the same type of pocket here on the bicep. Pretty decent sized pocket. Again, some Velcro. You have Velcro adjustment on the wrists, so you can close that up and keep the heat inside, and then your standard side pockets. So pretty simple way that this works. We'll just plug our power bank in, and once you plug it in, you do get a percentage of how much battery is left. Get this bad boy zippered up. Okay, I'll say off the bat, the zipper is probably not of the best quality. There we go. Alright, and then we have the little button here on the chest, and we'll hold that down for a couple seconds, and now we see we have it at red. And let me see, while that's on red, I'll take a look at the, I had an instruction manual around here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Alright, so the heating pads that it comes with, there's one on the back, one on each arm, right around the bicep area, and 2 front heating zones, which are, it shows down on your stomach, but I feel the wire is up on my chest. Alright, so in the red mode, that is supposed to be 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you press it again and it turns blue, that's 125, and green is 110. So I already feel it heating up here on my chest, and I can actually feel it through the sweatshirt that I'm wearing, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, I definitely feel that warming up already. So if we close everything up here. Yeah, it also has little cinches down on the waist, so that definitely helps keep all that heat in. So not very many suggestions with this. Like I said, I had a little bit of trouble with the zipper, but it seemed to be fine after I got it started. It would be great if there was some heating coils inside the hand pockets. That would have been awesome to help keep the hands warm also. So Antarctica gear, if you're ever thinking about upgrading this type of a jacket, putting something in there to help keep your hands warm would be amazing. I mean, other than that, like I said, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, and I can feel the warmth through the sweatshirt. And it's a little bit chilly here. It's well, it might not sound chilly to some of you guys, but it's 52 degrees inside the garage right now. And yeah, I definitely feel it. So yeah, like I said, that would be my biggest thing, is if we could just get some stuff in here to hand our warms, or warm our hands, whichever way you want to look at it. That would make it perfect. But yeah, there is plenty of options out there. So I try to find one that wasn't necessarily the cheapest one, but it wasn't the most expensive one. So I went for around the mid round, and I'm definitely a fan. I mean, the fact that I can feel it through my sweatshirt. This is a standard sweatshirt. It's pretty amazing. Now, obviously, the heat settings are going to depend how long your battery is going to last. But it's supposed to go up to 8 hours. Let's go ahead. And then just to turn it off, we're going to do the same thing as turning it on. We'll just hold that button for about 3 seconds. And then there you go. It's back to a regular jacket. So I know that was a super short video. Not much to talk about when it comes to a jacket. I've been wearing it out and about the past few days, and it definitely works good. I mean, it's a good thin jacket that you would wear like on a cool like fall evening without any heat. So it'll be interesting to continue to see as it gets colder how much it provides. But it seems to be super nice. So when I'm not wearing a sweatshirt, when I was out and about, like I said, I'd cinch up those waist straps, I'd cinch up the neck strap, do the arm velcros, and you can just feel that heat radiating in there. Because really all it is a battery connected to wires that are running through there, and the wires heat up. Even with just a t-shirt, it didn't get so hot that it was burning my skin. But you definitely felt it. This is my first time putting it on over a sweatshirt, so I wasn't sure if I was going to feel the heat while making the video. But I felt it through the sweatshirt, so that was pretty impressive. So to feel it through the sweatshirt but not get burnt by it if you're wearing a t-shirt, I'm pretty impressed. So definitely happy with the purchase. And lastly, if I was going to change anything, you know, just those inside hand pockets, if those had a couple wires in there so you can keep your hands warm, because like obviously I'm not wearing gloves right now, so my hands are a little bit chilly out here. That would make it completely perfect. All right, and that's going to do it. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. If you have any questions about the product itself, please go ahead and put that down in the comment section below. And as usual, if there's anything that you want to see us review on this channel, put that down in the comment section below. I'll reach out to the company to see if we can get our hands on it and get it tested for you. If you do suggest something to test, please make sure you put if there's anything particular that you want tested on the product, so that way I can try to get it done during the video itself. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.